We know it can be hard to say goodbye to a beloved family home, even when it doesn't fit your current lifestyle any longer. But if you considered that you might actually be able to live larger in a smaller home, most of our clients who downsize tell us it's the best decision they ever made. In most cases, we recommend focusing your search around three key factors. Number one is your desired lifestyle. Think about what you really want out of your day-to-day life. Do you love being close to the beach or downtown where all the action is? Maybe you enjoy having a quiet space with a nice garden. One of our clients loved gardening, but didn't need a huge yard, so they moved into a townhome with a small, manageable garden. Now they spend less time mowing and more time enjoying their plants. It's all about aligning your home with what makes you feel happy and fulfilled. Number two is optimal design. When you downsize, every inch of space matters, so a well thought out design is crucial. Look for homes that make smart use of space with plenty of storage and multifunctional rooms. For instance, a home office that doubles as a guest room can be a game changer. We helped the family move into a smaller house that had built-in shelves and clever storage solutions, making the space feel open and clutter-free. It's amazing how a smart layout can make a smaller space feel spacious and comfortable. Long-term accessibility is number three. Consider how your needs might change over time. A home with features like single-level living, wide doorways, and step-free entrances can be beneficial as you age. We worked with a client who moved into a home with a walk-in shower with grab bars in the bathroom and an open floor plan that allowed them to move around easily with a walker. Thinking ahead can ensure your new home remains comfortable and convenient for years to come. If you have any questions or if you're ready to discuss your options, reach out to schedule a free consultation. Give us a call if you have any more questions at 386-898-0700 and check out our blog pinned in the comment section below. We'd love to help you live larger by right-sizing for the next stage of your life.
The Heartside Shop.
For home is where the hearth is.